Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Demi, and in today's video this will be a continuation from the video I've uploaded last week in regards to incorporating aloe vera for massive hair growth. In this video I'll be using my leftover aloe vera to make my oil mixtures. I'm going to be showing you two different oil mixtures that I use in my hair to achieve growth. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up the aloe vera into small pieces because I will be making the aloe vera oil as well as a scalp remedy for my hair. So to make the aloe vera oil, you'll need extra virgin olive oil. I'll just be adding that to my hot pan, and it just depends on the amount of oil that you want to use. I did go ahead and add just a little bit more because I wasn't satisfied before. And then I'll add the aloe vera to the pan and we'll go ahead and stir. I did leave it in for about 5 minutes until it started to get a little bit on the brown side. So this is how it will look once it's finished. You'll see that the aloe vera has lost its color and it's looking a bit more on the brown side. So I'm going to turn the stove off and allow it to cool. Okay, so for my first mixture, I'll be using Sulfur 8. I'll be using both of these to make my first mixture. I've been using Sulfur 8 since high school, the original formula. They did recently come out with a light formula because the original, it smells really intense compared to the light. So it has helped with dry scalp. If you have really flaky scalp as well as itching, it does help to alleviate that. And I've seen really good results in regards to hair growth with Sulfur 8, so adding that with aloe vera is just gonna do the trick. And this is how the original formula looks compared to the light. So here I'm just starting off with a regular clean jar. I'm gonna go ahead and first add 1 scoop of the original Sulfur 8, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the light formula, so you can see how different they look in the jar. Now I'm going to be adding just a cover full of Peppermint Essence. And then I'll be using tea tree. This is the 100% pure oil, tea tree oil. I love this stuff. It works really good as well on the scalp. And I'm just using a cover full of that. Next, I'm using my grapeseed and avocado oil to my mixture. And then my Jamaican black castor oil, again in peppermint. I love peppermint on my scalp. I like the sensation, so anything peppermint, I'm here for it. And then I'm using 100% pure coconut oil. it's time to add the aloe vera oil. I did remove the chunks of aloe vera from the oil, so this is how it will look. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to my mixture. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and mix our oils together to get it into a nice creamy consistency. So here I did add the wild growth. I did use the light mixture. They do have the original in the white container, but I like the yellow one better. I did also add a spoonful more of the original Sulfur 8 and just a little bit more of the aloe vera oil to the mixture just to get it a little bit more on the thicker side. So this is how your scalp moisturizing conditioning cream should look. And you guys, this stuff is amazing. If you try it, let me know how it works for you. I would definitely love to know. So moving on to the second mixture, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the remaining aloe vera oil into the container. For this oil mixture, I do use it mainly on my hair shafts just to moisturize my hair and lock in whatever moisture I need. I use it as a lock method, and the difference with this mixture is that I'm using argan oil and black seed oil that I did not use in the first mixture, and I did not use peppermint essence or tea tree oil into this mixture. So that is the only difference, but everything else remains the same. And I did not measure anything. I just poured to my heart content. So it just goes based on how much you like to use. So you guys know how much I love aloe vera, so I had to incorporate it into my oil mixtures. And you guys, I've seen such drastic change in my hair. My hair is so much healthier now and has grown so much longer than it was before. So you guys definitely try it out for yourself and let me know if you've tried it and how your results are going. This is it for the video, you guys. I do thank you again so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye!